Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to give your toys a halo effect by using a ring light. I call this shot the chosen one. I'll also show you my editing process. Introduced in Star Wars Rebels, the world between worlds was a plane of existence that resided outside of space and time. In Season 1 of the Ahsoka series, we got to see the titular character revisit this mystical location. There she encountered the spirit of her former master. Inside the world between worlds, there were portals that led to other places and times. For this shot, I used a ring light to recreate one of these portals. Placing my toys on a stage made of cinder blocks, I placed the ring light directly behind them. Next, I placed small spotlights on either side of my toys. Here's my starting image. I used an exposure with only my ring light as the foundation of this shot, and then used layer masking to paint in the red and blue lightsaber glow. Using a reference image of the portal from the show, I created a vector graphic of the portal in Adobe Illustrator. I then imported the vector graphic into Photoshop to use as a stencil to combine the rest of my fourth exposure. My initial idea was to use the vector as a layer mask to block out certain portions of the actual ring light in one of my exposures, but that wasn't quite working for me. Taking a break from the blending to add adjustment layers for levels and color balance, I recollected my thoughts. Eventually, I realized that the actual ring light was a liability and that I could paint in the portal on its own separate layer while using another layer mask to retain the light halo. Finally, I painted in the lightsaber blades and the buttons, then gave the image a slight crop. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!